Hi everyone, this is Vivid Botany. The question is here, what is the site of perception of light in plants during photoperiodism? Is a question from Plant Growth Regulators of Plant Physiology. Let's have a look at photoperiodism. Photoperiodism means this is effect of light on flowering. That is, plants when they get exposed to enough light as well as dark nighttime, then flowering is induced in these plants. It was first discovered by two scientists, namely Garner and Allard. In a tobacco plant, they have observed this photoperiodism. According to photoperiodism, the plants are three types, namely called as long day plants, some are short day plants, some are day neutral plants. Long day plants are those which require longer daytime. They require longer daytime. Short day plants are those which require shorter daytime. And day neutral plants are those regardless of day and night they form flowering. What is this light? What is the perception of this light? Let us see. When a plant is exposed to sunlight, let's take an example of the plant here, having the leaves, green color leaves having this of different kind. So this leaf is also having the birds, like we call the apical birds or the vegetative birds. Now this is the sun. The sun is beaming sunlight on leaves. Remember, leaves got affected by the sunlight. That is, leaves of the plant are the perceptive organs. That is, they get perceived, they affected by the sunlight. So what happens when they get affected by the sunlight? The leaves when get exposed to enough sunlight, that is, as I told you that some plants require more sunlight, some plants require less sunlight. So when they get exposed to enough sunlight, the pigment called as phytochrome, this is a very special pigment called as phytochrome, will synthesize a hormone. What is the name of the hormone? This hormone is called as Florigen. Florigen synthesize a hormone called as Florigen. And this hormone, which is synthesized in the leaves, now will migrate to vegetative birds. Remember always, every plant will have two types of stages in its life cycle: vegetative stage, reproductive stage. So during vegetative stage, the plant does not form any flowers. So during this vegetative phase, when the Florigen reaches into vegetative birds, this Florigen transforms vegetative birds into floral birds. So these are vegetative birds that will convert into floral birds by the hormone called as Florigen. So when the vegetative birds convert into floral bird, then the flowers will form from that plant. So here the perception of the light for the photoperiodism is nothing but leaves. Based on this, we can have another question like that. Let us suppose this is a defoliated plant. What do you mean by defoliated plant? The plant without leaves. This is defoliated plant. That is plant without leaves. We have removed all the leaves from the plant. Of course, buds are there. So when this plant is exposed to enough sunlight, according to photoperiodism, but as there are no leaves in the plant, no phytochrome is there in the plant, Florigen is not synthesized in the plants. As a result, the vegetative buds do not convert into floral buds. So, vegetative bud in this plant does not convert into floral bud because there is no Florigen. Why there is no Florigen? Because there is no the phytochrome. Why there is no phytochrome? Because there are no leaves. So this question may be also asked as application orientation from this same pattern question in a defoliated plant. Though the plant is exposed to enough sunlight, the plant does not flower because the perception of light for photoperiodism is nothing but the leaves. So do remember that leaves not only perform photosynthesis, transpiration, exchange of gases, but they do act as perceptors of light for the photoperiodism. They play greater role in converting vegetative bud into floral bud. Right? Thank you.